Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we're looking at how to send group emails in Gmail. And now that Gmail has a new interface, there's no better time to redo the video. So actually, here's how to send group emails in the new Gmail. And just like the old email, a group email is just an email that you send to a bunch of people or a group of people at the same time. So you just compose your email and then select all the people you want to send that email to and then send. But that is kind of hectic. Gmail also allows you to create these groups beforehand, and so that when you come to compose your email, all you need to do is call on the group. And so to do that, go to your Gmail contacts. To go to Gmail contacts, there used to be a button up here in the old Gmail, but that has changed the new Gmail interface, and now you just need to click on this up drawer on the top right side. Click on that and then look for contacts and then select contacts. So that should open your contacts page in the new Gmail. Now you'll notice on the left hand side that there's no option for groups, and that's because groups is now labels in the new Gmail. So these labels represents groups. So to create a new label, simply click on create label, and you want to give that label a name. Maybe it's your IT class, so you want to call it something like IT class for example. Click on save. So you can see right here my new label or my new group called IT class. So when you click on it, you can see it's completely empty. So to add contacts into this group or into these labels, go back to contacts and then select the contacts you want to add into that group. For example, if I want to add this one, I just select the menu on the right hand side of the contact and then click on the group name, and that should be added immediately to the group name. So when I go back to my group, I'll find that that one contact has been added. Now to add multiple contacts at the same time, you can select the contacts you want to add to that group and then go to the labels menu, click on it, then click on the name of the group or the label and then click on apply to make those changes. So now when you go back to that group, you should see that those contacts have been added to that group, and that's how to create a group in Gmail. So now the reason you created that group is so that when you want to send a group email, just go to Gmail and hit compose, and then now in this section, instead of adding the names one by one, the members of the groups, simply add the name of that group, and Gmail will automatically add those contacts in the group in the to section. Then you can continue with your subject and the body of your email. So that's how to send group emails in Gmail. Thanks for watching.